Open Gallery and choose the image you want to view in full screen. Then, place 2 fingers on the screen and hold to start scanning. Once the scan is complete, touch Cut Out at the bottom. Then touch Save. Your cutout will be saved to Gallery. Open the gallery and choose the image you want. Then, press and hold your finger on the screen to start scanning. Once the scan is complete, touch Share from the shortcut menu. Then touch Save Image. Open the Health app. Go to Devices, My Faces, Custom. Touch the plus icon, and touch the plus icon again to add an image. Want to personalize it further? Choose from Geometric, Emoji, or Pet Stickers. In the selection box, press and hold a sticker to rearrange them to your liking. Customize the layout and background color. You can also customize the time style, font, and color. Lastly, pick the feature control you'd like to display on your face watch. When you're happy with your design, touch Apply. Now, you've got your own unique sticker watch face. Enjoy the interactive fun it has to offer.